So here we are in our room at Caesars Danville. This is a standard two queen bed room. You can get one with one king or the two queens. Uh, as you can tell, everything looks nice and new. This resort was opened in December of 2024. So again, everything is really nice because it hadn't had time to get worn out yet. The rooms are great. They're decorated to the theme of Caesar. So you have Caesar related artwork and decorations throughout both the hotel and the room. All the rooms have a huge window that opens up either to the side of the swimming pool or to the side where the three stacks from Dam River Mills remains. As you can see, you got a little desk area to work. The refrigerator is kind of hiding in the cabinet. There's a little coffee maker. They do give you a couple of waters. There's drawers, and the safe is also hiding inside the cabinet. There's the water and the ice bucket. Again, you got plenty of room to work on the desk and unique artwork. There's a nice sized TV. Of course, an area to set your bag or whatever you need. Thermostat. This is important. Every time we've come to a room, the thermostat has been set at 65 or 66, and the air conditioning works very well. The room stays nice and cool. We've got a closet, standard hotel room closet with your hangers, and of course the foldable luggage stand. They do give you an ironing board like pretty much everywhere else. Moving over to full-length mirror. Look, there's me. Hey. And the bathroom. It's a big bathroom. And it's broken into the area of the toilet, and then the counter. My camera catch up with me here. I'm going back in the toilet again. Another Caesar type picture. And notice all the fixtures and everything are gold, which is kind of neat. That's along parts of the Caesar theme. They do offer a lighted makeup mirror, and again, all the gold highlighted fixtures. Plenty of room on the counter. Spread out all your stuff. Of course, all your towels and everything underneath. The shower is a really big shower made from, I'm sure it's false marble looking tiles, but it's very, very nice. And again, it's really big. Again, the gold features. And in this shower, the shampoo and stuff like that were in a little tray. In another room we'd been in, they were the kind that were mounted to the wall and the refillable. It also features a bar for the whoever needs to shave their legs. The door to the bathroom is interesting. It's a sliding barn door. Looks like it bounces back just a hair. I'm not sure that it offers quite the amount of privacy that you may want for the bathroom. However, it's unique and very aesthetically pleasing. I like it. It works. and back out into the room. They do have, like everywhere else, they have adjoining rooms available if that's what you want. This one is not adjoining. It's actually not our personal preference. Okay, coming downstairs, we come off the elevator and you come around and there's a sitting area. The the whole resort is laid out very easily. It's like a square. When you come in, everything to the right is the hotel and Ramsey's restaurant, and of course this a little gift shop, and then the casino is to the left. And as we get further along, you'll see that the concert venue is straight back. It's a really neat layout. This little gift shop is pretty neat. They had plenty of snacks and sodas and beer and so forth. This is Ramsey's restaurant. Very nice. It's actually quite big. They have a bar area, and then they have the main seating area. We have not ate there yet. However, if you want to get your Gordon Ramsay famous beef Wellington, this is the place to do so. We did stop in the bar and have a dessert, which was probably one of the best cheesecakes we've ever had. Across from the restaurant is the check-in, and the check-in process for us so far has been fantastic. We've never had to wait in line. Maybe that's because of the time of day we came. I'm not sure, but it's been great. As you walk on towards the casino, there is a bar. This is the one bar that is not inside the casino. This bar also features live music. Well, let me rephrase that. The weekends that we've been there, they've had live music there. I'm not sure about weeknights. Going past that, you move over to the main entrance. This is where they have the valet parking. And again, you come in, and that's where everything kind of splits off, with the casino being to the left. Caesar is beckoning you to go to the casino. He's showing you the way. I followed him. Probably was a mistake. Going straight past Caesar, that leads to the concert venue that's called the Pantheon. It seats 2,500 people. They hold live music concerts, comedians, things of that sort. To the right, just before you get to the Pantheon, they have a Starbucks, because, well, every casino needs a Starbucks. They have some, I believe, VIP services down that hallway. There's also the ticket counter for concerts. To the left of that, you have some of the restaurants. There's not a lot of restaurants. They have the Ramsey's, and they have a few places for sandwiches and pizza. Those venues are not always open. They kind of change up as we go. We've gone inside the casino now, and this is the backside of that restaurant. It's actually accessible from inside the casino and outside. We did have pizza there, and it was not bad pizza. Moving along the way, of course, they have plenty of ATM machines, so you can get you some money when you run out. And this leads down to the other sit-down restaurant. It's right across from a lot of the table games, the craps tables, and the blackjack tables. This is the Dan Dan Noodle Bar. They serve different Asian foods. We have had dinner there a couple of times, and it is really good. Beside that is the high rollers room in that corner. Have not partaken of that. And as you continue on, you go past the cashier's cage and you come to the sports betting area. They have a large bar that's right there at the sports book, so you can watch all the games on big screen TVs. Across from that, more of the casino. The casino is kind of laid out very simple. The table games all run down through the middle of the casino, and there are slots on either side. In the sports betting area, they also have a few table games. I haven't seen when they were open, but they do offer them. Poker room. I suppose they're using that for the World Series of Poker. Not something I've partaken of. And this is the gym. They have a very nice gym facility. Great workout equipment. Again, everything's brand new. So if you decide to come down and work out, maybe work your frustrations out after being on the casino floor, then here's a place to do so. All kinds of machines, dead weights, dumbbells, pretty much whatever you want to do. That's one of the nicest gyms I've ever seen. The pool is right outside there. It's a super, super nice pool. Again, we're there at night and it's closed, but during the daytime, it's a very popular area and definitely a good place to take the family if that's what you want to do. Back in the gym again, there's also a spa across the street, or not across the street, but across the hallway from the gym. Full service spa to the best of my knowledge. And they got some rowing machines, some workout balls, and that is the gym.
So you can come up here for more stuff than just gambling. I mean, you can spend 2 or 3 days here and enjoy the pool, the spa, the gym, gamble when you want to, fine dining. You know, you can go to Ramsey's, have you that beef Wellington, and you can come in here and do some rowing. All right, I think we're done for the day. We're gonna call it a night. Say good night, Alina. Good night. Oh, you lost your shoe. Okay, now we're gone.